Walker, when he was on his drive down here, he passed by a snowmaking machine on the ski hill, and it got his little noggin thinking.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, bud. He had a bucket of random plumbing parts. The idea was a DIY snowmaking machine.
It's just water, pressure, and air, and I think we could do something similar with pressure washer and air compressor.
Snow.
We've got those old pressure washer nozzles, and what it looked to me was they were blowing air through kind of a coarse one,
Yeah.
and then they had really, really fine ones. And you know how they come in different grades, the nozzles do? So I think all we need to do is kind of have a manifold, and we pressure wash on the water ones, and then we come in with some compressed air on the air one. So this coarse, these are fine.
Okay.
And we just build it out of pipe.
The hardest part of the Snowmaker by far was finding all the little gadgets and gadgets.
So we headed out to Timber Mart to see if we could grab a bunch of pipe fittings. And using some T's, elbows, nipples, valves, and threaded seal tape, we laid out our DIY manifold for snowmaking. And at the outlets, we installed our 3 atomizing spray nozzles.
So the way we're gonna have to do this, boys, quick connect to our pressure washer, quick connect to our air compressor, and we should be good to go.
Look at the pressure washer.
I'll go get the air compressor.
I'm gonna grab a beer.
All right, pressure washer hose. So that is going on to the air, which is right here. Anyway, that's pretty much it though.
Better than my plan.
I'm not gonna be here later. I gotta bust a move. I think we got everything nailed down here. Air pressure, water pressure, and we've got all the nozzles hooked up.
Will it be like it's snowing?
I think so.
So we hooked it up to the pressure washer, hooked it up to the air compressor, and it makes snow.
Hey, we got snow! It's definitely working. Snow day, man. Calling sick. All you have to do is go around our cars, take a picture. Take a picture of a day off, man.
The snowmaker was a little bit silly, but I think my kids are gonna get a real kick out of this.
Come on!
To be able to harness the power of nature and be able to create your own snow is really cool for kids. And apparently also for your older brother. Mother Nature's got nothing on us.
Snowmaker works.
Where is Old Man Winter? I'm gonna go find him.